Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link an investing account to Personal Capital. If you don't have a Personal Capital account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, enter your email. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your password, then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a button for Link Another Account at the left side of the page. Click on Link Another Account. A pop-up window will appear. Now, use the search bar and search for the bank you wish to link. Or you could just select from the financial institutions below. Now, enter your investment account credentials. After that, click on the Link button. And now your investing account has been linked. That's how you link an investing account to Personal Capital. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.